Hello everyone, welcome to our new video where today we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air fryers in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these air fryers, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Also, if you could win one of these air fryers, which one would it be? Leave a reply in the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Von Chef air fryer. If you are looking to go for a small and handy solution for your air fryer needs, then this can be the perfect model for you. If you have been searching for air fryers, I'm sure that you've probably heard about Von Chef before. This air fryer features the innovative rapid air circulation system which prepares food that is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, and to do that, it uses up to 80% less fat and oil than a conventional fryer. It has a very nice minimalistic design which will look good on every kitchen. It's not so big either, so if you have a small kitchen, the addition of this air fryer won't be a huge problem for you. It features a black glossy finish with a handle and temperature knob. Why most people pick the Von Chef air fryer is the price. Its price is lower than almost any other air fryer on the market in its category, so with this air fryer you get a lot of value per dollar. I personally love this air fryer because you can literally make everything in this air fryer: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks and more. Basically, this is an awesome all-in-one appliance. Its frying basket is detachable with a safety cover button over the detach button so you won't accidentally detach the frying basket while cooking. The detachable frying basket is a good feature so you can easily clean and shake the basket. Also, the frying basket is dishwasher safe, which makes it very easy to clean. Overall, the air fryer itself has a 2.2 liter capacity, looks great on the kitchen counter, is extremely versatile and can make everything from meat to french fries. It definitely is a quality air fryer that comes at a great price, and it's great for making foods healthier when compared to deep frying without losing the crispiness offered by the deep frying the food. Moving on, at number 4 we have the Tefal FZ7002 ActiFry. This air fryer is a really different looking air fryer. It looks different from the other air fryers that you can usually see out there, so for the looks it does get a few points for being unique. The Tefal ActiFry cooks food evenly and efficiently using a hot air circulation system with pulsing action. This model uses 1450 watts of power, which is pretty nice considering the price. It has a 2.2 pound capacity, making it fairly moderate capacity fryer among all the ones that are available out there. Why most people choose this air fryer over all the rest is the simple usage. This air fryer is extremely easy to use because all the settings are ready and all you have to do is just place the food inside and press the start button and watch it do its magic. It has a noise alert system for when your cooking ends. Once it is done frying what it is supposed to, it is going to make a specific noise and let you know that. This saves you from having to sit there beside it all the time. The hot air system puts out pulses of heat to optimize the circulation of hot air while cooking foods. There is also a stirring paddle to help you cook food with different cooking times. Therefore, your foods are cooked evenly. It doesn't require more than a tablespoon of oil to cook the food. It can work on a variety of foods to produce a delicious snack. You can also make healthy homemade french fries with only a tablespoon of oil when you use the snacking basket. If you ever decide to purchase this air fryer, you will also get a recipe book for free. There are 38 recipes included in the book for every type of food. It can make anything from french fries to chicken. The only thing I don't like about this air fryer is that it has only one setting and that ruins its versatility, but for a product with simplicity in mind, this shouldn't be a huge problem. Overall, it's a great air fryer which is dishwasher safe and easy to use, so if you are someone that hates cleaning things, this air fryer is definitely your answer. Moving on, at number 3 we have the Avalon Bay 100B. The Avalon Bay air fryer brings an end to countertop mess by combining the features of multiple appliances into one. Most importantly, this air fryer creates healthier foods without sacrificing taste by letting you fry, grill, roast, and even bake without the oil required in traditional deep fryers or in skillets. Avalon Bay fryer has a 3.2 pound non-stick bowl. As a result, the fryer is suitable for making snacks and family-made meals depending on your requirement. The capacity combined with its versatility in the application makes the fryer such an important kitchen appliance. This air fryer incorporates the rapid air circulation technology to cook foods evenly and quickly. Surrounding food with hot air that is adjusted to the appropriate temperature is what makes the food taste great, and that air fryer can do exactly that. It has a removable baking pan and rack that is included for cooking different types of food, so the Avalon Bay 100B gets a big point for that. You can set the air fryer at temperatures from 200°F to 400°F to cook all types of foods to perfection. The 30-minute timer makes the fryer automatically shut off when the timer sounds. This feature will let you take care of other things while cooking food without having to hover over the food like you do when you're using a skillet or a deep fryer. The Avalon Bay is a safe and versatile appliance that lets you prepare a virtually endless list of foods, including recipes made from scratch or pre-prepared food from the freezer. If you've never used an air fryer before, you don't have to worry, because this air fryer comes with a 52-page Avalon Bay cookbook which will teach you a ton of recipes, and you will become an expert in a short time. Overall, I would say that this air fryer is suitable for everyone that wants to get healthier and is looking for a budget air fryer. It has everything you need and it doesn't cost that much compared to others, so it's definitely a great purchase decision. At number 2, we have the Philips HD 964196 air fryer. In my personal opinion, Philips is the leader in air fryers. This model is a small air fryer which will make your food taste amazing. This model features the Philips patented TurboStar technology, where all of the food is exposed to constant, circulating heat, allowing you to cook your favorite foods with a tablespoon or less of oil. In addition to the heated air flow, it also provides powerful direct heat from above, which will quickly crisp the food for delicious golden brown results while draining excess fat. It has a quick control dial, which is very easy to use, and all you have to do is just turn it to set the right temperature, then click. Turn again to set the time, then click to start cooking. Yes, it's easy as that. This model can be considered as a multi-purpose air fryer because with it you can grill, bake and roast your favorite dishes too, and that makes it a great kitchen appliance in my eyes. One thing that I mostly like about this air fryer was the keep warm feature, where it can keep the food warm after it has finished cooking, so if you don't feel like eating straight away, you don't have to worry because this air fryer will keep the food warm for you for up to 30 minutes. The most annoying part of cooking is the washing. With this air fryer, you don't have to worry about that because the removable non-stick jar and the food basket are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, so after you are done using it, you can just throw them into the dishwasher and you're good to go. Overall, I think that this model is sleek looking, well designed and of high quality construction, and should give years of service, so you should definitely consider purchasing it if you are looking for a powerful air fryer. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Philips XL Air Fryer. The Philips Advanced XL Digital Air Fryer is a countertop appliance designed to replace the standard fryer. It can also bake, roast and grill as well. The Philips XL Air Fryer uses rapid air technology to fry foods with little or no added oil. The Philips Air Fryer XL model has an extra large capacity and can hold an impressive 2.65 pounds of food. It is designed to hold enough food to serve a family of around 4 people. The Philips XL Air Fryer is considered one of the best air fryers on the market today because of its large capacity, versatility and highly adjustable digital controls. If you are already convinced that an air fryer is an appliance that will suit your cooking style, the Philips XL Air Fryer has a load of great features that would make it a great buy for the air frying enthusiast versus the other models and brands. This air fryer has a digital touchscreen that is very user-friendly and easy to use. The digital controls include a timer that accommodates cooking time up to 60 minutes, a red indicator and an auto-off function. The temperature control is completely adjustable to the desired temperature between 150°F and 390°F. The controls feature a number of presets for cooking your favorite foods quickly and very easily, so you can cook whatever you want. What I like the most about it is that the Philips XL Air Fryer is fairly intuitive and easy to operate. You just open the drawer and place the food item that you wish to cook into the food basket, and then close the drawer and use the digital touchscreen to set the temperature and the time to the desired values, and you're good to go. Most of its parts are dishwasher safe, so you won't have to waste too much time cleaning it, because your dishwasher will do it for you. That makes it a very convenient appliance for your kitchen, so that's a big plus. If you are looking for an air fryer, you either must be looking for a less oil consumption or just to prepare some special foods that you can make only with an air fryer. This air fryer, with its high level of functionality, lets you do both of that with real ease, so it's definitely a great air fryer, and if you are looking for one, this is the ultimate one. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these air fryers, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. and if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.